Ket Matlala's side chick, Brigadier Rachel Mancheng, is testifying at the Madlanga Commission, and she has a lot to say because she basically knows everything. You know, pillow talk, it's very intense with the side chick, so she probably knows things that the wife doesn't know. So the main thing that she was benefiting Ket Matlala with is that she was sending him contracts, basically tenders with the SAPS, because she was working for the forensic department of the SAPS. So on the other side is that Ket Matlala was basically benefiting her the normal way you would benefit a woman at her standard, sending her 100,000 rands every now and then. And I don't think it's only 100,000 rands. That's the only money that we know about at the moment. But the most important and lucrative deal that Ket Matlala wanted with Brigadier Mancheng is the Medicare 24 contract, because he was busy sending her a lot of information, so much information and documents. Some of the information she didn't even know what it meant. So they were sharing a lot of information. But obviously, when they ask her about all of this, she'll act like she doesn't know, but she knows way more than. So, man, these are the kinds of relationships that we should get into. A relationship shouldn't just be, nyaktanda and that's it, man. You should be looking at the bigger picture of how you'll financially benefit, and also how will that elevate your status. Because I can assure you, Ket Matlala was making sure that Brigadier, just look at the title of Brigadier, because this lady was just working in the forensic department, but right now she's at the top there. And trust me, Ket Matlala had something to do with that, because he's well connected. Many politicians know who this person is. So if you get into a relationship, you should get into a relationship that you don't benefit only financially, but status wise you also get level, you level up. And also that that person will also get you maybe a promotion or something like that. But obviously, because people are emotional, you think of, yeah, my wife will find out, man, I shouldn't get into this relationship because of 1, 2, 3. A relationship shouldn't just be sexual or financial, it should be status, and this is what proves it. And obviously, Brigadier Mancheng knew about the wife, knew about everything, but she knew that having Ket Matlala as her boyfriend in this case would benefit her even more. But yeah, right now everything is getting revealed, how she was getting so much information from Ket Matlala, a lot of cases, and Ket Matlala was obviously benefiting through